All right. Good evening, gents. This is for the top five. It's been a while, so let's go knock this out. There's your list. I've already copied it. And good luck to y'all. Let's go ahead and go live. We are live at 123, 123. There's your list. 10 entries you can see. Your group rules 2 dice, 5 or higher. Randomize it. I say total love. Number 9. Good luck. Here we go. 1. Let's go ahead and expand that so you can see all 10. 2, 3, 4. That's the Wesley Wong rule. 5, 6, 7, 8. Last and final. Mike, Curious George, congratulations. David, congratulations. Jacob Rivera times 2. Sorry, Root, Sam, and Jared. 123 on both clocks. 9 times per dash row spot. 10 on top. 4, 9, 6, and 8. Timestamp and verification code should be posted on the thread as well. Let's come back to Facebook. Done. Finish that. Can't see the time. Sorry, dude. Sorry, Tyler. I am so sorry. 124, 124. Kirk out.